In this lecture, we're going to show sheet properties. So here we have this model, and here we have 3 views. Now let's right click here on this sheet. Let's click here, down, and let's go to properties. So here we have some sheet properties. Here we can change the name of our sheet. For example, let's call it properties. Like this. Here we can change the scale. So here we have, as we can see, scale 1 to 2. We can change this, for example, 1 to 4. Like this. Here we can change the sheet format size. We can go with standard here, or we can browse here some different one. Now if you click on the A2, you can see here the preview. But let's uncheck this. Now here we have only show standard formats. We can uncheck this. And now here we have a different sheet formats. Here we have custom sheet size. Here we can define the width and the height of our sheet. And here we have type of projection. And now we have a first angle. Now let's click OK. And now here we can see we have 1 to 4. And here we see that our sheet is named properties. Let's create a new sheet. Let's add a sheet. Now let's go here to view layout. Let's insert 3 standard view. Let's go browse. Let's go with sheet properties. And now here we have those views. Now let's right click here. Let's go down. Let's go to properties. Now let's change here type of projection to third angle. Let's click OK. Now let's go here. Now let's create a new sheet. Now let's go again to standard view. Let's go browse, sheet properties. And now we got this projection. So in the sheet 1, we have this one, and in the sheet 2, we have this one. And this is how you can set up some sheet properties in SOLIDWORKS drawings.